Welcome to a short BiteWISe video about citation searching for research. Citation searching is a complementary technique to keyword searching and allows you to use references you have already found to locate other books and articles that might be relevant to your research. Firstly, it allows you to find additional material that may be relevant to your topic. This might include research from other disciplines or articles that have been indexed using different keywords. Secondly, it can also help you to evaluate the importance of a paper based on how many times it has been cited, although you need to be aware that very recently published work may not have been cited yet. Thirdly, it allows you to identify key papers in your field and the authors who have contributed the most to your area of research. Finally, it can help you to follow the development of an argument and see what happened next. There are several databases and search engines that you can use for citation searching, including Scopus and Google Scholar. But the one we're going to look at is Web of Science. It is worth noting that some of the features we'll be using may not work in Google Chrome, so we'd recommend using another browser such as Firefox, or if you're a Mac user, Safari. You can access Web of Science either by searching for it by name here or from the databases page of the library website. The Web of Science search page gives you the option to explore a number of different databases, but the default setting, Web of Science Core Collection, will give you access to the most powerful search tools. For this example, we're going to look for research on citation searching and bibliometrics. By default, the results are sorted by publication date, with the newest first. So let's start by resorting them according to the number of times they've been cited from highest to lowest. This open access article on journal ranking looks as though it might tie in nicely with our search topic. So let's click through and see what other articles we might be able to find using this as our starting point. You can follow citations in two directions: backwards by looking at the earlier works cited within the text, or forwards looking at where the article has been cited by others. If you want to see which articles have been cited in the current paper, click on the Cited References link. You can also follow the citations forward and see where other authors have cited it subsequently. This particular article has been cited 48 times. You can also create a citation alert if you want to keep track of any new articles published that also cite this one, or click on View Related Records to see other articles that have cited similar references. The Citation Map feature is particularly useful and will allow you to follow citations in either direction. In this case, we're going to look at both forward and backward citations. The Web of Science Citation Map uses Java, and you may find that you need to allow this to run before you will be able to view the map itself. As you can see, the paper you started with appears at the centre of the map, and the articles that this paper has cited are on the left-hand side of the screen, which is the back side of the map. You can see more details about each paper by hovering over the author's name. Double-clicking will bring up further details of the article, including a link to the full document record in the panel to the bottom right of the screen. You can also do the same for citations going forward, so for papers which have cited your original article. The citation map can be particularly helpful identifying the key authors in your field and also to see the links and connections between their research. So for example, in this case, the paper we are looking at has not only cited Winkler, but has also been cited by Winkler in a later article, and this would definitely be worth following up. It also allows you to see how often authors are citing themselves. There is nothing wrong with this, but if an author's citations are mainly coming from their own publications, you may need to make your own assessment of whether their research is as important as the number of times cited suggests.